everyone, welcome back. I hope each and every one of you is doing well. Now, recently I have come across a very big change in my skin, and I'm sure most of you know it by now because I've announced it too many times on my Instagram stories that my skin was dry initially, like when I was in my teenage. Then it went on to become combination, and right now if you ask me, my skin is, I think, has become oily and a little bit acne prone. So as we all say that we need to take extra care of our skin if our skin is oily or acne prone, because then you tend to get so many breakouts and acne issues and a lot of other skincare problems which are definitely not good and nobody wants to welcome them. So I have started to take extra good care of my skin, and I just wanted to take you through 6 of my products that I literally swear by when it comes to my skincare regime. It's just that all these 6 products are very good for people who have oily skin or even acne prone skin. They have just helped me control my acne issues and have really helped me take care of my skin well. So let's begin. By the way, I have bought all these products at a discounted price from Amazon because they have exciting offers every hour, and they're currently running their Great Indian Festival sale which ends on the 2nd of November. So the first thing that I swear by is the Lakmé 9 to 5 Naturale CC Cream, which I got for Rs 359 from Amazon. Now this one, I'm in the shade Honey. Now why I use this is because it is really good for daily purpose, especially for the upcoming summer season, because this acts as a daily moisturizer plus also is a CC cream which helps in evening out the skin tone and gives a really nice dewy finish. I'm actually applying this right now on my skin, and as you can see, it has hidden most of my imperfections, even my acne scars that I have across the face. So this is really good for daily wear. It has an SPF of 30, so it protects your skin from the ultraviolet rays as well, and it gives a really nice dewy complexion, not something overdone. So, and it makes the skin really soft and buttery, yet doesn't make it oily or greasy, because right now if you can see, I have applied the CC cream and I haven't applied the compact because I did not really require applying a compact on top of it. So this is really good for people who have oily skin, and especially for the summer season. If you're someone who doesn't like wearing a CC cream and prefers putting on a sunblock separately and then a foundation, so then this sunscreen is definitely a big hit. However, this is suggested for all skin types, but I think this is definitely suitable for oily or acne prone skin, because what this does is this mattifies the skin completely by controlling all the extra oil or the grease that your skin or the face has, and then it completely mattifies the face, and plus it protects your skin from the sunlight because it has SPF 40, and it makes the skin really soft, very smooth, yet just not greasy at all. So this has this amazing oil controlling and very nice formula that suits very well for all the oily skin people. Up next is one of my favorite toners. I know I've spoken about this so many times. This is none other than the Kama Ayurveda's pure rose water face and body mist. Now this one is 100% natural, and it is a natural astringent which makes it even better for the oily skin people. Why? Because it controls oiliness, it balances the pH level, and it also shrinks the pores at the same time. So, and it's natural, it's 100% natural. It doesn't have alcohol, which is even better. And once I apply this on my face, trust me, I feel like I have just drenched myself into a bucket of fresh roses. It smells that amazing. So especially for the summer season, when you're too tired or lazy or just lethargic, just take this bottle and spray the goodness on your face, and you will be energetic in no time. Apart from the fact that it does wonders for oily skin people, but it's just going to make you energetic as well. The next thing is actually one of the very recent launches by the Face Shop. It's the Dr. Belmeur's Bubble Foaming Cleanser, which I got from Amazon for $37.86. This one has salicylic acid, which is very, very good for oily and acne prone skin. So it's just a very mild cleanser. It's a foaming cleanser. So all you have to do is just take 2 pumps of it and then gently apply it onto your face, and it generously cleanses your face. It takes off all the makeup, and it also shrinks the pores, it tightens the pores, and cleanses your skin really well by clearing out all the impurities. So, and also a fact that this has a lot of oils in it. It has bergamot oil, it has lime oil, and it has tea tree oil, and all these oils are very, very good for people who have acne or oily skin again. So yeah, this is really good for both oily and acne prone skin. Definitely get your hands on this one. Up next is this product. Now this one I got from the Amazon's Great Indian Festival sale for only 1960, which otherwise is for 3,000 rupees. So this is made of 97% aloe vera and cucumbers. This is a gel that is made out of these 2 ingredients, and as you know, both these ingredients are very good for oily skin. Cucumber has natural moisturizing properties, so it hydrates the skin without making it oily, while aloe vera is again very good for oily skin because it does not grease it up, and it just mattifies the skin and softens it. So it's actually good for all skin types, but oily being one of them. So my point is, even if you're not able to get this product exactly, aloe vera and cucumber are very good for oily skin. So get yourself into the kitchen and just take few pieces of cucumber, or just take a leaf of aloe from the aloe vera plant and apply it on your face as much as possible, because it's going to do wonders to your skin. So aloe and cucumber are a blast for oily skin. Next is this one. Now this particular sheet mask from the Nykaa's sheet mask range is my absolute favorite these days, because it really helps me control my excess oiliness from my face. This is the lemon and honey one, which is priced at ₹100 on Amazon. Now what this does is it brightens the skin instantly, but also because lemon is really, really good for oily skin, it tightens the pores, it shrinks them, and then sucks out all the oiliness from the face. So this one is really good for oily skin, and plus lemon has astringent properties, bleaching properties. So yeah, it's really good. Plus honey is moisturizing as well, and these sheet masks are very, very good for any time of the season throughout the year, especially summers, because in summers you're always so exhausted and always so sweaty, and you always feel so dirty on your face because there's so much impurities that are around in the atmosphere. The best thing that I like to do is just wash my face and put a sheet mask and just lie down. So lay it on for 15 minutes and lie down. You will feel the magic happening on your facial skin. So these are my 6 products that I really like applying on my oily skin. If you're someone who has oily or acne prone skin, get your hands on these 6 products. They're definitely going to help you, because they have helped me a lot, and all the products will be mentioned in the information box below. Like, share and subscribe. I will see you very soon. Bye.